Hello, my beloved students. I hope you all are fine. This is Samreen here, and today I'm gonna give you the video of lesson number 11. Okay, in your grammar book, you can open page number 46, that is compound personal pronoun, lesson number 11. Okay, so what are compound personal pronouns? Basically, compound personal pronouns are formed by adding self to my, your, him, her, it, and selves to our and your to make them plural. Okay? So when we add my plus self, that will be myself, him plus self, himself. So these words are compound personal pronouns. Okay? The compound personal pronouns are used in the following two types or two ways. You can see a part, that is reflexive pronoun, in which we can see the compound personal pronoun are called reflexive pronouns when the action done by the subject turns back. Okay, when the action done by the subject turns back means reflects upon the subject. For example, I found myself unable to move, means the person is talking about himself. Ki I found myself means the action done by the subject turns back to him only. Okay, we hid ourselves, then you express yourself very clearly. Then he has landed himself in difficulty. So they are somewhere talking about themselves, that their action turns towards themselves. Okay, then in second form, which is emphatic pronouns. Okay, before that you can see one box, that in these sentences the pronoun myself, ourselves, yourselves, himself, herself, itself, and themselves are acting as the object to verbs and refer to the same person or things as that indicated by the subject of the verb. Got it? Means these personal pronouns, compound personal pronouns, are acting as the object to verb. Okay, after verb you can see that compound personal pronouns are mentioned. Okay, which refer to the same person or thing that indicated by the subject of the verb. Next is emphatic pronoun. So for that you can see ki I myself saw her do it. This is different. You have to understand the difference, because in such sentences the compound personal pronouns means myself, ourselves, or others are used for the sake of emphasis. Okay, means they are emphasizing ki I myself, okay, saw her do it, means ki he is having the proof. Then we will verify the fact ourselves. Okay, they're gonna do the things themselves. Then he himself will write an essay, means the pronoun is emphasizing on that personal pronoun, compound personal pronoun is emphasizing on that same person. Okay, which is called emphatic pronoun. To make it more clear, you can turn the page and you can see these exercises. Okay, before that always remember, you can see that John and myself went there. That is incorrect. John and I. You cannot use here personal pronoun, compound personal pronoun. Okay. See the exercise A. There is a help list. Basically, you have to choose compound personal pronouns from here to make the sentence complete. So see the first sentence. The horse hurt itself. Okay. Don and Julie paid for it themselves. Then Monica is a girl, Monica herself was at the meeting. The doctor said so himself. I cut myself on a knife. Do it yourselves. I do not have time. Okay? Let's just relax and enjoy ourselves. Why I have used here yourselves in sentence number 6? Because we don't know whether one person or so many persons are there. So yourselves is completely fitting here, suiting here. Okay, have you heard yourself? Then the company has got itself into difficulties. Then you have a right to be proud of yourself. Okay, now next exercise, fill in the blanks with emphatic pronouns. She told me the news herself. Okay, then they themselves had a similar experience. The manager himself gave her the medal. I myself would not recommend that restaurant. We started this business ourselves. So this is your exercise B. Okay, same you have to fill in your book. All right, now we will start lesson number 12. You can open lesson number 12, demonstrative pronoun, which is also the same, means somewhere, because we have been studying pronouns only. So in this chapter we are going to study about demonstrative pronoun. In demonstrative pronoun we will only talk about this, that, these, those. Okay, when something is close to you and that is one thing, we will use this, and the same thing is far from you, then we will use that. Same we will use in plurals. Okay, if the form is plural, then we will use these or those. Okay, but the difference between demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative pronoun is important, which we will study. You can see here two columns are there. Okay, so in these two columns, for demonstrative adjectives, just after demonstrative means pronoun, we have to use subject. Okay, and in demonstrative pronouns we will be using verbs, helping verbs. Okay, is, am, are. So you can see the difference. This bicycle is mine, this is my bicycle. So this is demonstrative adjective, as you can see, and this is demonstrative pronoun. Then these bicycles are mine, because this is plural form, and these are my bicycles. So you can see the difference clearly between the demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative pronoun. If you are going to use this is my bicycle in demonstrative adjective, then your sentence will be wrong. All right, as you can see, next page here, pick out the demonstrative pronouns in the following sentences. Also write whether they are singular or plural, which is very easy for you to identify. Okay, as I told you that this, those, that, these all are demonstrative pronouns, right? And how we are going to identify whether this is singular or plural? Because this is used for one thing, and here those and these are used for so many. Bananas, okay, these are bananas, and those are my classmates. So these are plurals. You can see here I have mentioned. Likewise you have to mention in your book also. Okay, next exercise. See, in this exercise you have to make sentences on demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative pronouns by using these demonstrative pronouns, means this, that. So here you can see I have used one particular noun, that is pen. You can use any other, or your in live class you might have used something else. Okay, so that is not the compulsion. You can use any other noun also, any other subject. This pen is mine, this is my pen. Okay, then these pens are mine, these are my pens. Then that pen is mine, then that is my pen. Then those pens are mine, those are my pens. So likewise you have to fill. Okay, you can fill, you can make your own sentences also. Exercise number C, tick the right option. So we can see in the picture also, pictures are there. In sentence number 1 you can see books are there, and which are very far. So for far things I have already told you कि we will be using those. Okay, those are books. Next one is one phone is there, mobile phone, which is near also, and one phone, this is a mobile phone. Third one is two calculators are there, lekin those calculators are far, right? So those are calculators. And the fourth one is, this is a camera which is near. Okay, so students, these are two chapters which I have covered in this video. You have to fill these exercises in your book. Okay, you can revise both the chapters, you can discuss your queries in your live classes also. In the next video I'll be giving you explanation as well as exercises of next chapters. Okay, till then, take care, keep studying.